part 1 of the AMCAS overview video series. In this video, we will talk about the general application process with the AAMC's American Medical College Application Service, or AMCAS. AMCAS is the centralized application for MD programs in the U.S. You can apply to more than 140 programs with just one AMCAS application. In this video, I'll first talk about the AMCAS application process. Then I'll go over the important dates for the AMCAS application year. So how does AMCAS work? You will fill out the online AMCAS application and send the AAMC official transcripts for all of your college-level coursework. Once we have both your application and all of your required official transcripts, we verify that the coursework you entered is correct by doing a line-by-line comparison with what's listed on your official transcripts. We will also standardize and normalize your grades to calculate your AMCAS GPA. Standardized AMCAS GPAs allow medical school admissions officers to fairly compare GPAs from different schools. Once your application is verified, we'll send it to the medical schools you applied to. AMCAS also sends your letters of evaluation and your MCAT scores to your designated medical schools, so you don't have to send these pieces of your application to schools separately. For all of the information you could ever want about AMCAS, you can visit our website at aamc.org/AMCAS. You can find the sign-in link for the AMCAS application in the upper right of the page. On the AMCAS homepage, you can also find the quick links to the AMC's Services Contact Center, where you can speak to a representative directly regarding your application. Also, there are quick links to the AMCAS social media pages where you can get answers to your application questions. All eligible accredited MD granting medical schools, with the exception of Texas Public MD programs, participate in AMCAS. MD programs at Texas Public Schools have a separate application process known as TMD-SAS. AMCAS will send your letters of recommendation to all but 2 schools via the AMCAS letter service. And we also facilitate the criminal background check on a subset of applicants for many of the participating medical schools. It's important to know that AMCAS operates 1 year ahead of the current calendar year. For example, it's 2016, but we are in the 2017 AMCAS application cycle. This year's application is for those who want to start medical school in 2017. Every year, the AMCAS application opens in early May, but you won't be able to submit your application until early June. So this gives you about a month to work on it. The first day you can submit your application is June 7th this year. AMCAS will start sending verified applications to medical schools on June 24th. At this point, you may start to receive secondary applications. Deadlines for your AMCAS application fall between August 1st for early decision program and December. Find each medical school's AMCAS application deadline on our website. It's important to understand exactly what we mean by deadline. To qualify for an AMCAS deadline, you must submit your completed application by 11:59 p.m. Eastern on the deadline date. And AMCAS must receive all required official transcripts within 14 calendar days of the application deadline date. Medical schools also have secondary application deadlines. Contact your desired medical schools directly for these deadlines so that you can prepare accordingly. That wraps up the first part of our AMCAS overview, how AMCAS works and important dates for the 2017 application cycle. Watch our other videos for an overview of the sections of the application and for more detail on what happens after you submit your AMCAS application. Be sure to check out the tools and tutorials we have on the AMCAS website to help you fill out your application successfully and efficiently. Visit the AAMC Student Hub and follow AAMC Pre-Med on Twitter and Facebook for helpful information and direct answers to your questions. Best wishes for your application to medical school.